Nigeria people don't bring no bonga Bishop News story. My name na Nehi. The naira to dollar today, July 18th, 2023, na 795 naira per dollar for inside the investment and importers window, while the black market don't be 827 naira per dollar. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu yesterday on Monday, July 17, 2023, don't come back to Abuja from Kenya after we attend the mid-year coordination of African Union, wey be say they do during the weekend day, as the AGF and some senators them for inside Abuja welcome and when in land. Plenty Nigerians they don dey vex, they provoke as they come dey complain after wey the price of petrol don increase to 617 naira per litre for inside NNPC fuel station as they adjust am from 539 naira per litre to 617 naira per litre. As plenty Nigerians them on top Twitter come dey post the former president picture wey be Muhammadu Buhari, come dey yarn say they want am back, say because this suffering when Nigeria dey suffer, e don dey too much. Rumor don dey carry about say federal government go fit raise the minimum wage of workers for inside Nigeria from 30,000 naira to 200,000 naira per month, and na wetin Nigeria Labour Congress don dey fight federal government say make dem use the subsidy money take dey pay workers dem reach about 200,000 naira or 300,000 naira, say because the suffering wey be say workers dey suffer for inside Nigeria don too much because of the high price of fuel and the high price of other things dem for inside Nigeria. Federal High Court wey dey for inside Warri don come pass judgment. E say make Road Safety Commission wey be FRSC say make dem dey operate only for inside federal road as dem come yarn. E say na wetin Court of Appeal also don even talk for inside Asaba Delta State, say make dem dey always dey operate for federal roads only. This one come mean say market don for press road safety people dem for this kind matter. According to the latest report from National Bureau of Statistics, don come yarn, e say Lagos State don become the most expensive state to live for inside Nigeria as things don cost well, especially food and transportation. And na Channels Television na dey come out come yarn this story.
Tonight, Lagos becomes the most expensive state in Nigeria, according to latest report coming from the National Bureau of Statistics.
After with the Enugu State Governor wey be Peter Mbado waka around inside the Enugu State on Monday, July 17, 2023, come see say plenty traders dem no gree take come out as all of them come dey for house because of the sit-down for house. As he come provoke, come threaten, saying go collect back all the licenses and also collect the shops of any trader wey go obey sit-down for house for inside Southeast. As people come dey tell am, say make him first of all arrest all those fake indigenous people or Biafra members that will be say that they order people to sit down for house, and also they cause brigade by people for inside Southeast State them before you go put that order. Say because traders themselves not even happy, say that they sit down for house, they lose money like that. The Osun State High Court wey dey for inside Ikire on Monday, July 17, 2023, don come sentence one pastor of Cherubim Church wey name be Philip Shegun, saying go kpai by hanging. Say because he go join body with Owolabi Adiko, 23 years old, with him mama, come kpai one final year student of Lagos State University wey her name be Favour Oladele, wey be Owolabi Adiko girlfriend. The acting comptroller general of customs dem wey im name be Bashir Adewale Adeniyi don come show 31 rifle guns dem wey be say dem see for inside one container for Lagos port within just 3 weeks, wey be say dem appoint am as custom head.
I don't know how to see him. I don't know how to see him. I hear one for you.
After we call about police for inside Lagos State, it declare one Lagos State big boy wey be killer boy on top social media wanted, say because him kpai him girlfriend go even cut him bobby and kpeku take comot for morning ritual. But killer boy don come out come talk say na lie, people dey lie, say no cut off him girlfriend kpeku and bobby take comot for morning ritual. Say wetin happen be say him with him girlfriend dem be get gbege wey make the girlfriend come first of all come chook am. Him come chook the girlfriend the back wey make the girlfriend come kpai as him come dey yarn, say him regret for wetin him do. And him not the fear to come out to come give himself to a call about police. Say because him dey ready. Say even he say the thing go by in life, say him dey ready to face the law. Plenty students that don dey stranded on Monday, July 17, 2023, after way heavy rain fall wey make flood to come carry the road and other places then for inside Oba community, Orile Agege local government area for inside Lagos State. But thank God, say the water not carry any of the students that take go. The Ondo State Security Network wey be Amoteku Corps dem don come catch two small girls dem wey be say dem go lock themselves for inside one hotel wey dey for Akoko area of Ondo State. Come dey call their parents say dem kidnap dem as dem come dey ask for ransom of 100,000 naira from their parents say before dem go release dem, and their age na within 13 years and 15 years old. Plenty Nigerians dem don come shocktalize after wey some people dem wey at ten d one party for inside Lagos State carry bags of rice take come back house as souvenir gift wey the celebrant take give everybody wey come the party, and this party happen for inside Lagos State. Yes, na Bishop News Club. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.